Hello viewers, I'm Ranjana ma'am and you're watching my channel. Many of you had asked me that I should put up the grammar solutions of the ISC paper 2019. So here I am at your request. I could not do it earlier because of some work pressure with the final exams going on. So sorry for that. So let's continue our tutorial or our video with the solutions, and y'all can check and see how much correct you have got out of the 20 marks allotted to your grammar section, because they mean a lot. They help you to score well in your paper. So let's get started. The transformation, first one. He is so old that he cannot remember events of the past. He is 2. So this is the instruction. So your answer will be, he is too old to remember events of the past. So what are the things we did? The first 2, after that he is too old to remember. So we remove 3 words, that he cannot, and instead put a TO2. So he is too old to remember events of the past. Second one, as soon as the bell rings, the children run out to play. Begin no sooner. This is in the present tense form, so you won't have any did or had. Your answer will be does. So no sooner does the bell ring, R-I-N-G, than the children run out to play. Third one, no other planet is as big as Jupiter. So since as big as means it's your positive degree and begin with Jupiter, it will have 2 answers, comparative, superlative. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Second one, Jupiter is bigger than any other planet. So if you have written any of them, you're correct. Next one, he is forgetful as well as careless in his work. He is forgetful as well as careless in his work. Begin besides. So besides being forgetful, he is careless in his work. Besides being forgetful, comma, he is careless in with his work. It is given with his, I missed it. So besides being forgetful, comma, he is careless with his work. It is probable that the ship will reach the shore. In all. So whenever it is probable or probably, your answer will be in all probability, comma, the ship will reach the shore. Next one, number 6. She said that she would return the book to the library the next day. Begin she said, comma, inverted comma. That means it was in the indirect speech and you are expected to change it into the direct. So she said, comma, inverted comma, open, I will or I shall return the book to the library tomorrow. Next day becomes tomorrow. I shall return the book to the library tomorrow, or I will return the book to the library tomorrow. Full stop, inverted comma, close. The next one, only trained graduates need to apply for the post. This can have more than one answer, so you can write none but, none other than, none except. Trained graduates need to apply for the post. So whichever one you have written of these, you are correct, you'll get your marks. His attitude towards his parents has always puzzled me. Begin I have. So this is a voice change. I have always been puzzled by his attitude towards his parents. I have always been puzzled by his attitude towards his parents. Number 9. He loved his little daughter, comma, but he was in mortal fear of her fierce temper. Although he loved his little daughter, comma, he was in mortal fear of her fierce temper. He was in mortal fear of her fierce temper. And number 10, when she heard the news of her daughter's result, comma, she was very happy. Begin on. So that means you'll have to change it into a simple sentence. On hearing the news of her daughter's result, comma, she was very happy. She was very happy. So out of these 10, check it out how many correct you've got. And now let's move to the preposition. She turned dash the offer to work at the factory. She turned down. Turned down means rejected. It's a phrasal verb. To everyone's surprise, comma, he turned dash at the party. Turned up at the party. That means he reached, he came. He broke dash in the middle of his speech at the function. He broke down. Means he was emotionally wrecked. Something happened. He could not continue anymore. He broke down. Like the car broke down in the middle of the journey. So the car could not proceed anymore. Achha, next one. The burglars broke dash the house into the house when the family was away. Broke me into means enter by force. He agreed to carry out the manager's orders. Carry out means obey. Sita's daughter carried dash the family business when Sita went abroad. Carried on. Continued with the business. He ran away from home at the age of 10. Away. I ran into my old friend at the marketplace. Ran into, meet by chance, collide. Her aunt looks after her aging grandparents. Looks after, taking care, looks after. The principal looks into matters of complaint from teachers and students. Looks into, probes, examines. And now for the C section, the tenses or the appropriate forms of the verbs. First one day I was in the lunch line. So first blank was. And there I saw a pile of apples. The teacher in charge stared at me. Second one, stared and said, just take one. Third one, take. God is watching. Fourth one is watching. So I took an apple. Took. Fifth one, took. And the line moved along, moved. Sixth one, moved. At the next table, there was a pile of chocolate chip cookies. So a pile means singular. So don't be misguided by cookies. It's a pile. So the verb will be singular, was. I did not know. Not know will become did not know what to do. So number 8 is did not know. Number 9. The kid behind me whispered, take all you want, God's watching the apples. So last one is take. Take all you want. So I'll repeat them once again. First was, second stared, third take, fourth is watching, fifth took, sixth moved, seventh was, eighth did not know, number 9 whispered, and number 10 take. I hope you have checked them and you can let me know how much marks you've got out of these 20. And some of you have requested that I should also give you the synonyms or the words which have been given, the similar words that are in the passage in your comprehension. So first one, adventurous will be venturesome. Adventurous, venturesome. Cat-like, feline. Feline, F-E-L-I-N-E. Third one, appreciated, applauded. Fourth one, received something on someone's death, inherited, inherited. So venturesome, feline, applauded, inherited. You can check out and see whether you've got them right. And now, best of luck for your next exams. And with this, Ranjana ma'am takes her leave. Have a good time with your books and your copies and your test papers. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you have liked this video, it has been useful to you, then please press the like button. Goodbye.